Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by finding the biggest space hogs now. Open Drive settings, view the storage graph, and sort items by size so you see the largest files first. Once done, delete obvious large files and old shared folders you no longer need. Make sure to remove duplicates. Also check Gmail and Google Photos because they count toward your quota. After deleting, don't forget to empty the trash. Files still there continue to use space until permanently removed. Now you focus on efficient storage. Convert uploaded Office files and videos to native Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides when possible, because those formats don't count against quota. For big attachments and media you seldom access, move them to an external drive or a different cloud account. Once moved, delete the originals in Drive and empty trash. Use Drive's advanced search filters. Search by type or size like larger. 10. Finish by auditing shared with me and unwatching or removing files, others shared that you don't need. Shared items can still appear and clutter your view. Decide if purchasing more storage makes sense, or set up automatic archiving rules to move old files off Drive. If you've deleted a lot but the storage meter doesn't drop, try signing out and back in, clear browser cache, or wait up to 24 hours for quota stats to refresh. This usually resolves stale reporting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.